It's back. The revolution. Yeah. The revolution. The revolution will be televised. The revolution. Welcome to the world of computer chips and manuscripts where everybody steals their lips. Throw on the mic, we get it clear your sight. Combat, better prepare to bust back. TV screens get you satellite feeds. Throw on the mic, we get it clear your sight. This time, there's no surprise. The revolution will be televised. The revolution will be a real attraction. That's the something. The revolution will be fed more things and media. We'll flood on phone wires, on cable modems, on our cell phones, on our phone pallets. The revolution will be following. Stand in the face of a quickening, of a great dumbing down of our people, of our greatest minds, and we waste worldwide whatever means necessary. A punishing awakening into our senses and into our fast marketing cookie cutter Pleasantville. Out of our great slumber, this revolution is not free. This revolution is not free. It's powerful. This revolution is our revolution, and we embrace our revolution. We decide on the unshackled news of lies and false information. This is our revolution, and our revolution is key. The revolution will be televised. The revolution. The revolution. The revolution. The revolution will be televised. I'm bad, but I'm bad. The bus back. The bus back. The revolution will be televised. The revolution. The revolution will be televised. The revolution.
Welcome to the world of computer chips and manuscripts where everybody steals their lips. On the right, we get to clear your sight. Combat better prepare to bust back. TV screens can shoot satellite beams. On the right, we get to clear your sight. This type of game comes no surprise. Ready to rise, ready to televise.
The revolution will be televised. The revolution will be a war of attrition. Yes, the revolution will be fought in all forms of media. We'll flood on phone wires, on cable modems, on our cell phones, on our power pilots. The revolution will be violent. We stand in the face of the quickening, of the great dumbing down of our people, of our greatest minds, of a race ruled by whatever means necessary, a punishing awakening into our senses and into our mass marketing, the cookie out of Pleasantville, out of our great slumber. This revolution is not free. This revolution is not free. This revolution is our revolution, and we embrace our revolution. We decidedly unshackle views of lies and false information. This is our revolution, and our revolution is the revolution will be televised. The revolution. The revolution. The revolution. The revolution will be. Revolution will be televised. The revolution will be televised.
Welcome to the globe of computer chips and manuscripts where everybody steals their lips. On the right, we get to clear your sight. Our bad better prepare to bust back. TV screens can shoot satellite beams. On the right, we get to clear your sight. This type of game comes no surprise. Ready to rise, ready to televise.
Revolution will be televised. The revolution will be a war of attrition. That's the slogan. The revolution will be flooded. We'll flood on phone wires, on cable modems, on our cell phones, on our power pilots. The revolution will be violent.
Ой, молодцы!
Awakening, the dark certainty and into one. That's why I'm going to cookie color present bill. Years of lies and false information. This is should be televised.
This is the fun.